How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. First, you want to open Snapchat on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search icon, which is at the top. And from here, if you just search for someone, here, if you tap on the add button, which is right next to their account name, it's going to say added by search. If you want to avoid this, you can simply open up their profile and over here tap on the add button. So when you do this, it's not going to say added by search, it's simply going to say added by your username. So this is one way on how you can do that. Another one is right below their name, you can find their username. So if you can just get someone to send this username in your chat, you can add that person from there as well. And again, it's not going to say added by search. So these are two ways on how you can add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.